Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia 1.4. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. Firstly, let's enter camera. And as you can see right here, on the bottom of the phone we've got all available modes. So let's start with the portrait mode. Tap on the face to focus, background will blur after the photo is taken. We can zoom in and focus. Also you can change brightness level after tapping on the screen, but these functions are available in every mode. Then we've got photo mode, that we can zoom in and we can't zoom out. Next we've got video mode, with macro mode available, wide angle and zoom. We can also enable macro in photo mode, and also we can put on some filters, HDR and night mode. Then we've got translate mode, that allows us to translate text shown on the screen. Let's go to settings. In settings we can enable flashlight, grid type, night mode, HDR, timer between 3 seconds and 10 seconds, face retouche, save selfie as previewed, it's called selfie mirror, and grid line. For front camera, we can adjust skin texture, zoom in and change brightness level. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.